Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Goodman Furnace error code F02. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're getting the error code here or status indication or indicator here, which is F02, well in this case, there is a few things that you could try here. So we actually found a thread here from the following platform, which indicates that the user or one of the users here is having the same problem. So what they did is they actually cleaned, in this case, remove the water from the hose itself. So they some water was retained on the actual hose on the actual furnace, so you want to go ahead and maybe remove that and see if that the error itself clears out. But another thing that you could try here is you might want to check your flame sensor. Now usually the F02 error code or status code here usually means that there might be some false flame indicated on it. So typically you want to look for something like this one, which is the flame sensor. You want to go ahead and clean this rod. Now you want to make sure it's silver, it's clean, and once you've done that, go ahead and put it back in and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.